Planning your next adventure and need a rental car? Well, you've probably heard of Discovercars.com, but is it really worth the hype? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know, pros, cons, and whether it's the right choice for your 2025 travels. Let's get started. First off, the website is super user-friendly, clean layout, easy navigation, and a quick search tool that lets you compare prices from multiple rental companies in seconds. You just enter your location, dates and preferences, and boom, you've got a list of options sorted by price, car type, or customer ratings. One of the biggest pros is the transparency. No hidden fees, and the price you see is what you pay, which is a huge relief compared to some other rental sites. They also offer a wide range of vehicles, from budget-friendly compact cars to luxury SUVs, so there's something for every need and budget. Another great feature is their customer support, available 24/7 if you run into any issues during your rental. Now let's talk about the downsides. Some users have reported that the pickup process can be a bit slow depending on the local rental company, so it's not entirely Discovercars' fault, but it's something to keep in mind. Also, while their prices are competitive, they might not always be the absolute cheapest, especially if you're booking last minute. But overall, the convenience, reliability, and peace of mind they offer make up for it. Discovercars.com offers a huge range of rental car prices to fit any budget, from super affordable to premium luxury. Need a cheap compact car for city driving? You can find options as low as $10 to $20 per day in some locations. Prefer something bigger, like an SUV or minivan for a family trip? Prices typically range from $40 $100 plus per day, depending on the model and demand. If you're looking for high-end rides, think BMW, Mercedes, or convertibles. Expect to pay $100 plus or style. So is Discovercars.com the best car rental service in 2025? For most travelers, the answer is yes. It's reliable, easy to use, and offers great value. And that's a wrap on our Discovercars review. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other rental platforms you'd like me to review next. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.